Hello everyone. In this video we're going to see step by step how you can set a push notification campaign through WayMore platform. Once you have completed your implementation, you can go to Communication and Push Notification. From here we have three options. We have the dashboard that we can see the overview of our use for push notifications already or for the future. You can create a campaign or you can have a small configuration about your push notifications. So let's go first to configuration. We have already selected our implementation to all the web browsers except Safari, so I can edit that. We have already declared the site name and the site URL for our push notifications. We can drag and drop an icon, or you can browse your PC locally and add something here. Be very mindful of the specific dimensions that they need to be selected, and then you can proceed with your notification setup. This is a preview of what your recipients are going to receive to their browsers. So you can change the title from push notification to let's go for sign up. You can change the main message, offers up to 50%. You can see immediately what is changing here. And from the buttons that someone can select something, you can go with yes please or not now. Of course, you have a preview for a mobile and a PC and a desktop. So this is how it's going to look like for your recipients. You can save it, and otherwise you can have up to 10 different messages in total to select instead of creating again and again something from scratch. So we can save that. And now that we have created our push notification, we can go to campaigns, start a new campaign. We're going to see that this is going to be sent to all of our subscribers, and now we can create the message for our campaign. So this is going to be a summer offers. The title, the main message is run to sign up. You can add in the same way of thinking an image here with drag and drop, or you can browse your PC. I will select this one. So this is how it's going to look like to my recipients. You can have a URL that if someone selects and taps your push notification, he will be redirected to this specific site, to this specific URL. Always be very mindful that you should include the protocol of HTTPS in order to be valid and proceed with this. And okay, WayMore for this example, I will use our website. So if you tap to the push notification, you will be redirected to this website. Of course, you can set up the delivery time. You can have an instant delivery by doing that right now, or you can schedule something for the future, specific time frame by selecting the month, the date, and specific time. Once you're also sure about that, you can proceed with other settings. We have the expiration, the TTL. This is by default 12 hours, and this feature means that if someone doesn't open or doesn't see his push notification after 12 hours, the message will expire and will disappear from his monitor, from his screen. Also, the push notification, you can set in seconds this time how many seconds it will remain on your screen. So by default, again, this is 12. By confirming that, you proceed and you are ready to go. This is a scheduled one. We didn't do it right now. So you are ready to go with your campaigns. Thank you for watching this video.